Hey everybody, it's Cobbs. I found this stuff. I thought I'd give it a try. So this is a little review on this. I don't know if you can see it here, but I'll put a still picture or something so you can see it better. But anyhow, I'll put some of this in my radiator. And it's super coolant. And I put this in there. And I didn't know if it really worked or not, but I've heard a lot of race car drivers and stuff use this stuff in their cars too. So I put it in there, and the car's running right now. It's really quiet, but it has a turbo on it too. It's a Subaru 4-cylinder with turbo, so they put off a lot of heat. Okay, so I dumped one of these into the radiator, and I'm amazed what it is. Well, right now it's 98 degrees. Got the air turned off, but I got to get it back on. It's really hot in here. But turn the camera around here and show you something. And if we get it focused, there, we got it focused in. Right there, you can see it's 98 degrees right there. And look at the temperature. It's right down there. Usually when the car's running, it's about just below the white line right there. Look how cool the car's running. On this review, I'm gonna have to say this stuff really, really works. And if you don't have any of this in your car, I would go out and buy some and put it in your car and give it a try. It brought down the temperature in the car a quarter, at least a quarter. This is amazing. And it is running right now. And it is 98 degrees outside. It was 100. Check it out. And you can see it's running. You can hear it now. It's really getting hot. I'm gonna have to turn on the air. Anyhow. And if you're gonna try it, put it in your car. It works. It really does work. And that's about it for this video. I'll be making some more. So if you like, and if you want to subscribe. And if you want notifications, hit the bell and you'll be notified each time I put a video on. And come back and check out the rest of my videos. And God bless. Thanks for watching. This is Cobby out. Until next time, take it easy.